a mistake.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
And type in the wrong name on TikTok, or you just got bored of your TikTok username. The issue is you can't really change it multiple times within 30 days. If you watch this video, you actually can do that. Oh, what? Oh yeah, you gotta also like the video and subscribe to the channel. This really helps you out, otherwise you can't really do it. And again, this is an OBS tutorial. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome. If you're underage, don't drink coffee. I don't know, you're a 12-year-old. Drink tea. And also grab my free 0 to 10K followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy for free in the description down below. Okay, so normally if you just need to change your TikTok username, just click on edit profile. You have your name, your username, and you can just change it from here. This is the easiest way to do that. But let's say you don't have this option, right? You just change your name, now you gotta wait 30 days, which is really unfortunate. So the thing you gotta do that is edit some of your settings on your phone. Let's start with iOS. You go on your settings, you go down below, or you just click on search, type in TikTok, click on it, and then you have a bunch of options, right? You have the mobile data, background app refresh, you have the language, and you can remove it from there. If you don't have it there, like I don't, you can just go ahead and click on location services and just remove it, click turn off. On Android, you click on app management and then you have permissions, then you have a location option and just switch that off. The idea of this whole thing is you want to reset your date and add 30 days to the current date, but if you have your location services, your date is automatically inserted into your device. So if you click on date and time right here, you shouldn't have the set automatically option, and you just type in a date that's 30 days after today. So I'm recording this on 21st of July. The easiest thing I can do is just go on August, right? And if I do that and I have location off, TikTok will think that the 30 days will pass and you can just change your TikTok username faster. Did you like that? That's really simple. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of my next videos. Just comment your TikTok username or Instagram username or YouTube channel down below. You win. You'll be shouted out in one of the next videos. And we have a few for this video. The first one is Cedar Bawa, who says Michael Sebella. I'm really sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. You guys will probably pronounce my Slavic name wrong as well. Daniel Comedy Boss, and we also have Roger Federer.Union for the shout out. I like tennis and I'm shouting this guy out multiple times. Hopefully it helps him out. And you know what? Remember that video that keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, check one of these videos out. But keep in mind, this is not financial or medical advice. See you next one. Bye.